Hi and welcome to the 7th video in this ColorCraft tutorial series. Today we are going to have a look at the preview window. We selected this beautiful picture of a castle. You can see in the top left of the preview window that we have 4 options: split, full, compare, or grid. Right now we are on the full preview mode where we can see the full recolored image of the last selected palette. We use the fit button to fit the image to the canvas. We then select a nice palette for recoloring the castle. With the split preview mode, we have a slider that we can move to see the original and the recolored asset at once. In compare mode, we can see both the original and the recolored asset in full at the same time. And again, we can use the fit button to fit the asset to the canvas. Lastly, we have the grid preview mode. Here we see an overview of all the recolored versions of our asset with all selected palettes. Let's select a few more to see the effect. And again, we can fit the asset to the canvas. Let's zoom out a little bit. We can also change the background of the preview window. Right now it's on the default gray. We can change it to a checkered background. Or we can pick and choose our own color. We also have a save button here where we can save whatever we're currently seeing in the preview window to PNG. This concludes the tutorial on the preview window. I hope it was helpful, and please like and subscribe if you liked the video.